Okay guys, I'm going to go over some of the new changes to the Halligan Narcotics. Most of y'all know how to do this first part, but this is how you do a check on your apparatus. Right now I have station 2 pulled up. You can pull up any station you want using this top one if you didn't know that. I'm going to go over Medic 2, just use that as an example. Click on Medic 2. And your daily check. This is slightly different. It has its own check now. It's not going to be through the inventory like it used to be. You can scroll down and hit Narcs at the bottom, or you can check Start Check, scroll Narcs. You'll pull up your narcotic box. This will say Fire Narcotics. If it's on an engine, it says Medic Narcotics if it's on a medic. Click on the compartment check, and you'll see this pop up. Note that this right here is your amount of vials. You'll see that. We're not going to be doing anything by milliliters really anymore. I know a lot of y'all are happy about this, but it's in vials. What you will need to check when you're doing your checks is click on the lot and make sure your lots match up. This will track our lot as it comes in. As I check it in, put it in the main inventory, all the way through a usage. So these have to be correct. This also tracks the expiration date, so we won't have to worry about any narcotics going expired on us. You shouldn't have the ability to remove lots or add lots or anything like that as a firefighter, but if you're an officer, you should see this. Just make sure that they're correct. And then when you're done with your check, scroll down. You'll sign yours with your initials and your badge number, same as always, and you will scroll down and select your partner's name here too. And that's it for an apparatus check. I'm going to delete this. Just in case you didn't know, if you have an apparatus check open and you don't want to use someone else's apparatus check, you can click on their check and then click this button up here. It deletes the check so you can start a new one. Okay. Next thing we'll do is go over a station vault check. Basically it's the exact same as it used to be. Just click down here at storage on the bottom, find your supply closet, and then I'm going to resume count here because this is my count that I started earlier today. The officers, you will have to make sure that your lots match up. This is pretty important for transfers and things like that later on. Click on the lot, make sure you have the amount of vials that you need for each lot number. And then scroll down and sign it, same as always. That part's pretty simple. Once again, these are in vials, not milliliters. Alright, so the big change is going to be in usage and resupply. So as a medic, or if you're resupplying a fire apparatus, I'm going to click on apparatus. Sorry guys, I'm at station 2 and the internet's terrible. Click on your medic or your fire apparatus also. Click on inventory, and then this restock or record usage button is the one we'll be using. When you're coming back from the hospital, you'll click this record usage. Click the whatever drug you used. Make sure you get the correct concentration, and you can do multiples at a time. And then make sure you click the correct vial that you used. If you have more than one lot number in your apparatus, it'll show more than one lot number here. This is in vials right here. And then you will click the amount used and the amount wasted if you need to. These are pretty easy to change. And then you will hit submit usage, and that will automatically delete the amount, the correct amount in your inventory, and show a shortage later on to be filled with a resupply from the supply room. You'll do your signature, and then witness check is your partner. Once you've done that, you come back to your station. Actually, I forgot to go over this. The run number. This is where you match up your run number, right here. Don't use the EPCR number, just use the run number from the report, and you don't have to fill in both of them. It'll allow you to submit it without it. Okay, let's go back to resupplying from the storage room. Click storage at the bottom, same way as we did before it went down. Hit transfer. Select where you're going to send it to. Add items to transfer. Let's do these two. And then here you'll see all the lot numbers that are currently in your storage closet. Make sure when you're giving your medics narcotics, the lot number shown right here matches what you're giving them. Super important. And this number right here is in vials also. Once you're done there, scroll down to the bottom. It just takes one signature. Just put the officer's signature here. You don't need to put the run number in the notes here. It'll be in the usage form. And then hit complete transfer at the bottom. And that part is done. That's really the only thing, guys, that's going to be changing. It's the lot numbers that are going to be the big thing. Also, we're going back to vials instead of milliliters, so that'll make things a lot easier for people. Yeah, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or email me. Thanks.